Okay, now that we know about some adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing facts, let's make some flashcards at home, and I'll make some here at my home too, together with you, so you can actually practice these. It's going to take some, pencil and paper, not just practicing on your iPad to get good with your facts. So some lots of different options of what you could do. If you have index cards, use those. I don't have index cards. If you have playing cards, we can do that. If you have post-its, we can do that. Or if you just have paper and scissors and pencils, let's do that to make these multiplication flashcards or addition or subtraction. Um, so I made a video of some facts for the 3rd to 5th graders, and I wanted to make these flashcards as a good example for the kiddos. So these are the 5 facts that I gave them, or maybe you have some addition or subtraction facts that you need to get good at too. So how I was first doing it was just getting a playing card like this and getting a marker or a pencil or pen. Let me show you over here. And I would just write down the fact. 2 times 8 was one that I needed to practice. Maybe I fold this over so it doesn't go over the edge. And then I have that done over here. So I have 2 times 8. I also needed to do, 3. 8 times 3 or 3 times 8. I guess you guys want to see, huh? You do 8 times 3. But, maybe you want to practice this on your own. And with these cards, the answers aren't on here. You could use a post-it on the back, I guess. But I'm going to make some other examples using pencil and paper. So I got just some ordinary paper, kind of folded it up a couple times, and now I'll get my scissors out and I'll cut. You could rip it, but then it looks a little messy, and depends on who your math teacher is, but a lot of math teachers, they like you to be organized and neat, right? So these don't have to be perfect rectangles or anything, just kind of little pieces of paper where you can write the answers on it. Now with these papers, I think it's important to use pencil, at least for the answer. Because if you're using a pen or a marker, you can see the answer through the back, and then you're not actually getting better to practice these. So I'm done with my scissors. I have my sheets of paper. And now I could write the fact in like a pen. So what's next? I did 2 times 8, 3 times 8. Let's do 4 times 6. 4 times 6. Or if you're doing addition, you can do it on one side, but on the back, like lightly, like Mr. Franklin teaches me to like sketch, I'm going to write the answer really neatly. And you can see it here that says 24. But through the back, can you little cheaters at home? Well, it's flipped there, but can you see? Yeah, so if you're practicing these flashcards, oh yeah, I know the answer, and you're looking through the light, yeah, you're a little cheater. Don't do that. Okay, so we have 4 times 6 is 24. Did you make that one if you're in 3rd grade? Or you got it wrong? Do some of these facts that you don't know right away. I'm going to do 5 times 7 is equal to 35. And I did it nice and lightly. And the last one that our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders needed to practice because they didn't know it super quickly. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. Now you have these facts. You're able to shuffle them up. And I think, let me go over here. Might even be smart for you to do some of the facts that you do kind of know. So you're not just practicing 5 ones that are tricky. You could shuffle in some that you do know super quick. For when the practicing, you get kind of more facts to practice, but some of them are ones you already know. And you can mix in some addition that you know. You could even do, what's 5 plus 3? Oh, everybody knows that's 8. What's 10 plus 10? I mean, these are just to kind of insert between the facts you don't know, just to kind of reset your brain a little bit. So now that we have these facts, you could have a brother, sister, mother, uncle, cousin, dog, pet turtle, whoever. They hold the fact, they show it to you, and you want to see if you know it in how many seconds? Less than 3. So let's practice together. 5 times 7, 35. Yay. 10 plus 10, 20. 7 times 7, I don't know. Okay, this is one I don't know yet. You're not going to just look at it every time. Oh, I know the answer. It's no. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 times 6, 24. Say the answer before you look. A lot of you kids out there, you like flip and just read it. That's not getting better. So you want to practice these, have a parent hold them up for you, and see if you know them. And what I do then, I make a little bag or an envelope of facts that I know to keep in, like, oh, this is one that I learned really well. I do know 7 times 7. Oh, that's flipped. I knew 4 times 6. I knew 10 plus 10. But the ones that my mom said that this is a fact I don't know yet, right? Like we're going to learn these, we just don't know them yet. And you can keep those in a separate pile. Because this week, maybe you have like 5 facts to practice. You're going to probably have more and more and more. And you don't need to practice the facts that you know within 3 seconds, which is good to practice. And they're fun because you know them. But you definitely want to make sure you go over and learn these facts that you don't know yet before you come back to school. Because we want you to come ready and using that brain to solve hard math problems, not just thinking, what's 8 plus 6? No, we want you to know 8 plus 6, 14, right? So thanks for doing this. I hope you make those flashcards. Take a picture of the flashcards that you made or of you practicing or the facts that you do know and send it to your teacher so I can feel good to know that you guys are at home practicing because we miss you and we hope that you're still being curious and working hard. Okay, have a good one.